Hi, my name is Paul Bradford from Cake Flakes, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute little dragon. So what I've got here is about 450 grams of purple sugar paste. I've put a little bit of CMC in just to give it a little bit firm it up. And what you want to do is look for the halfway point and then just slightly to the side there, just cut through like that. And okay, so that gives us enough for the body and the rest for the little bits of decoration that's going to go on there. So all I want to do then is just roll it into a cone. All we want to do is form a little cone shape like that, okay? There we are, nice. Now once you've got that taper, just put that to one side, and then we're going to get a little bit of the white sugar paste. Okay, soften this. Now this is white sugar paste that I had left over from another project, and it does have a little bit of modelling paste in it as well, but you can just use normal white sugar paste. Okay, and then a little bit of corn flour or icing sugar, and we just want to soften this down, and what we're doing here is creating a little chest for the dragon, okay? There we go. So before we then lay it on the board, I'm just going to get one of my little tools. So I call it my little shell tool, and using the flat blade, all we want to do is just start in the middle and just do a line straight across. And then what we want to do is we want to curve the line so it looks like his belly is bigger than what it actually is. Alright, so there we go. So just little knife through there, and you can see here we're getting the front of the dragon, just to give it a bit of a flat bump. Okay. There we go, that's good. Now where we've cut it in half, that's going to be his toes, okay? So just keep that round a bit there, and all we want to do here is just pinch and pinch that down. Again, just release that. Once you've got your little foot, you can then just stretch them if you want to make them a little bit more pointy. Alright, so just like that. He's definitely got big feet. So the more pointy, I always think it looks more grown up. It's an adult dragon. Okay, a little ball, and now this should be still soft, so I'm not going to use any glue, I'm just going to pop them straight on. That felt like a bigger one, so I'm going to put it in the middle. I've got a slightly smaller one for you in there, so I'll pop that there. There we go. Nice. Okay, so there we go, so that's got his little feet. So what I want to do is bring them across, and then decide where they're going to go. So all I want to do is just cut an angle down like that, and bring that across, and just place that on the side, and just kind of smooth it on, okay? Now, once you get to that stage, what's quite nice is to just add a few wee dimples. So with the little bone tool we've got here, all I want to do is just go round and just give them a bit of a texture. There we go, right. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to get his little arms on. So just get another piece of the paste. Okay, so roll it down, and then again just cut that in half. And what we're making is a sort of a drumstick, a chicken drumstick. Okay, so if you just get a little bit of water and just pop it on the side. Okay, and then what we do here is we get our little arm and we just put it on its side like that and just cut just a little slither off the side. Just by doing that, it makes it really soft, which means we can attach it on like so. Okay, now it'd be quite nice if his wee hands just sort of stuck in there. So there we go. Like you said, he's just eating another little dragon. I'm kidding, I'm just kidding. The children, I'm kidding. Oh, this gives me working out in the gym. Alright, so now what I want to do is the head. So I've got a little 5.5 centimetre polystyrene ball. And then you just stretch it, and all we're doing is just working it down. And just cut around. There we go. That's fine. Take that out. Yeah, I'm going to go for 3 pasta for this head to stick onto. So 3 in there, like that. Good. Now I'm just going to cut it. There we go. There we go, look, he's got his wee head on. Right, so now what we want to do is we just want to add to that. So I'm going to get a little paintbrush here and pop a little bit of glue on. Well, sorry, water, a bit of water. And then we're going to make the muzzle. There, good. So just get one of your little cake tools, and what we want to do is we just want to draw, it's almost like a kind of W shape. So we're going to go up, and then you want to then bring it down, around, and then back up again, and then a wee curve, something along those lines like that. Right, okay, so now we want to, we'll just leave that just now, now we've got the eyes on, and we can have a little bit of fun now. So we've got some colours here. There we go, so we've got a wee bit of orange, a bit more of a darker orange, and we've got a little bit of yellow. That's nice, and a little bit of blue as well. These are just scraps that I found in the drawers, you can probably tell. Okay, and what I want to do is a little rainbow effect on the top of his head. Right, okay, so there we go, we've got a little Mohican on there, that looks cute. Right, so now we want to make the ears. So for the ears, just get a little bit of the purple. Okay, soften that up. And then just about that much, okay? And then if we get another bit of the white, so what, about 1/3 of the size, that's not even 1/3, what is that? No, just under 1/3. And if you just get your rolling pin, and just flatten it out like that, okay? And it cuts the end, because it's made it quite thin, it cuts the end, and it just kind of gives it a kind of front ear. Pop that on the side, like that. Okay, so if we just lift these up, and we just want to place them on, there we go, that's fine. Lift it up. So for the eyes, so if you just get a little bit, a tiny little ball like that size, okay, and then just roll it into a wee sausage. Cut it in half. Take one, so the pointy part, make it even more pointy, like that. And then just get your paintbrush and a little bit of glue on the eyes. When I say glue, I mean water, okay? I'm just using water. So on there like so. Once that's on there, all I want to do is just get the tool and then just bring that down like that. And then you can give it a wee flick up at the side. All right, I think that looks okay. So just press that down, just to blend it in a little bit. I'm not doing lots of blending today. There we go. That's fine. That looks good. And then what we can do is we can just get some more of the colours, and we can just make little colourful spikes going down like that. Now that head looks good. Let's just come down a wee bit. There we go. Like that, okay, and then just cut it in half. It's like a kind of A5 sort of a quantity. And all we want to do now is we just want to cut into a sort of wing shape. In fact, if we just put them together. Just be careful. Oh, I've just been broke one of his wee nails off. Just pop your tool in and make two little slits. The last thing we need to do, just to finish off this wee cute dragon, is just a couple of little dots for the eyes. So a tiniest little bit of white. Cut that through in the middle. Watch your fingers, watch your hands. Okay, and a little ball. And all we do is just place that on there, like so. And there we go. So one cute little dragon. Look at that. Oh, bless.